Neutralinojs versus Electron, which is better? In this video, let me show you a comparison of Neutralinojs and Electron. Starting with Neutralinojs, it's a lightweight, open source framework that doesn't bundle a full Chromium browser. Instead, it uses your system's default web engine. It is also easy to set up, though it offers limited API support and less stability on some advanced features. Since it relies on a system browser, UI rendering may vary between platforms. Now for Electron, this is a full-featured framework used by big apps like VS Code, Discord, and Slack. It combines Chromium and Node.js, giving you deep access to both web and system APIs. It's great for complex apps with rich documentation and plugin support. In short, in short, go with Neutralino.js if you need something lightweight and simple. Choose Electron for feature-rich apps that need full system integration. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.